What if I told you everything you know about cities, jobs, gadgets, even more, is about to become ancient history? Stay with us for 4 minutes. Because you're about to witness a future most people can't even imagine. This is not science fiction. This is life in the year 5050. Forget suits. In 5050, clothing adapts in real time. Outfits change color based on your emotion, your schedule, your environment. Your skin, augmented with nano tattoos, interactive fibers, and ambient data streams. You don't wear technology, you are the technology. And beauty, redefined. AI-generated symmetry, genetic edits, and fully customizable appearances. People now live longer, look sharper, and feel everything amplified. Cities in 5050 are alive. Buildings respond to your mood. Streetlights dim when you're calm, glow red when danger's near. Forget sidewalks. Magnetic lanes carry people silently through the air. You don't walk, you hover, you glide, you teleport between zones using neural intent. Every block has AI concierge systems. Need a meal? A friend? A therapist? Say the word. It's already en route. Parks float, apartments breathe, and trash? It doesn't exist. Everything recycles itself. No cars, only sky roads. Your vehicle? A personal pod powered by anti-grav pulses and guided by quantum GPS. It takes off vertically, merges into the flow, and lands in your apartment's docking wall. Trains? Gone. You now zip between cities using vacuum tubes under the earth and above the sky. From Tokyo to New York, under 15 minutes. In space? Regular. Shuttles now launch hourly from orbital elevators. Phones are fossils. Now, you blink to browse. A thin lens over your eye projects an entire interface onto your world. You shop, work, flirt, and play in layer view. An augmented layer over everything. Tables respond to gestures. Chairs adjust posture in real time. Your desk doesn't need a screen. It is the screen. You don't log in. You exist in the cloud. Shopping happens inside thought-activated holograms. Click, swipe, buy, without moving a finger. There are no jobs, only roles. AI handles 99% of production, service, and logistics. Humans now curate ideas, design dreams, explore emotion. You're paid in attention currency, a digital economy where your focus is more valuable than your labor. Some still work, by choice, as creators, curators, guides of the human experience. But there's no unemployment, because in 5050, AI doesn't replace you. It just removes the boring parts. War hasn't ended, it's just evolved. Fighter jets now fold space to reposition midair. Swarm drones the size of bees can take out a convoy, silently. Weapons are invisible. Neurodisruptors, EMP fog, nano-assassins. Entire battles are fought in code, not cities. But if things go physical, you'll see hyperjets slash the sky, laser artillery that targets thoughts, and suits that let soldiers sprint at 80 miles per hour. And behind it all, AI generals, waging probability wars. Waking up? Your bed knows when. It nudges your brainwaves gently. Coffee? Already synthesized by your kitchen's bioprinter. Need groceries? They appear in your food capsule. No deliveries, no delays. Doctors? Mostly virtual. Diagnostics handled by quantum sensors before you even feel symptoms. Kids learn through dream school, immersive neural simulations while they sleep. Even pets are hybrid, biomechanical companions that never die. Every citizen has a city score based on behavior, emotion, and contribution. Step out of line, your access privileges shrink. Privacy? Optional. Every wall has ears. But the city offers you everything in exchange for everything. The real tension isn't between humans. It's between humans and the systems we've built to govern them. So now that you've seen the year 5050, what do you think? Utopia or something else entirely? Smash the like button if this blew your mind. Comment below. What part of this future do you want or fear? And subscribe for more deep dives into the stories no one else is telling. This is the world of tomorrow. This is Need to Know.